Hello, everybody. Ruben here, Global Ambassador for UGC Protocol. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the back office right now. On the screen right now, you see my phone. We use a wallet called SafePal. You can use any decentralized wallet. It works with the system. I recommend that you download, if you don't have one already, you download a SafePal wallet and you use it just for your UGC business. This way you can see how much money is coming in directly into your wallet every single day, and it's not confused by anything else that you may be doing. Okay, so if we go into SafePal right here, you're going to see on this demo account here, you're going to see that I have a coin there called USDT BEP20 stable coin. That's the coin that we use on the BEP20 network, which is very fast. But that's the coin we use to participate in the business, but it's also the coin we use to receive funds from the business. Okay, if I click on that coin in my wallet, you're going to see a whole bunch of plus signs here, guys. This is the money that's coming in to my wallet on a daily basis from my participation in the UGC business. Okay, you can see the times there: 18 minutes, 25 minutes, 26 minutes, 27 minutes, 27 minutes, and money is coming in throughout the day. How come so many payouts? Well, because there's 3 engines of earnings, right? And every one of those engines pays you on each slot that you're participating in. I'm participating in multiple slots, which I'll show you here in a second, which creates multiple payouts. And this is what you see here, guys. Guys, this is not a joke, because even if I just scrolled as fast as I can on this and we stop, I'm still on May 10th, which was a few days ago. Today is May 17th. Okay, the time of this recording. So you can see that there's tons and tons and tons of payouts. This is why I love UGC, because I am in control of my money. And when I do complete my 200% fulfillment and I have a decision to make, the money is already in my wallet to be able to reparticipate, either at the original amount or to scale up. Okay, but without further ado, let's go into the back office quickly. I'm going to show you. You hit Explore at the bottom of your SafePal. There's a search bar. You're going to have your link saved there under History. You click on your link. We use the BNB chain, the blockchain, BNB blockchain. Make sure you're on that blockchain. Make sure you're not on Ethereum or anywhere else. Okay, that's why it confirms it every time. And now you get into your back office. I always say I love this business because it's an open book. I'll show you why it's an open book. Right there, you see our liquidity pool, $17,207,611. That changes. I think every 10 or 15 seconds, that goes up and down. That's indicative of a few things. Number one, the amount of transactions that are happening, that this pool is being used for with our smart contracts that's happening in PancakeSwap. It's also indicative of the new people participating in this business that feeds this liquidity pool. And there's also the factor of the markets and the coins and the stuff that the valuations and stuff like that. This can go down, this can go up. It doesn't mean anything. It's just, it means that it's fluctuating with the markets. Okay, guys? On this front page, you're going to be able to join our support groups. But another thing here, I told you guys, there's your smart contracts. Okay, they're there. And nobody does this, guys, but they're there for you to look at, to verify. We don't teach you how to do that, but you can, by all means, talk to someone who knows what they're talking about, or maybe you do, but you can easily click on that and you can go, it takes you right to be able to verify all those smart contracts. Okay. Love that about this business. Here you're going to see the total numbers. As of May 17th, 2026, we're at 4,382 participants in this platform. Based on what you're seeing and based on your help telling people about it, I can see that this is going to go to 43,000, 430,000, or 4 million one day. And if you know our compensation plan from the previous video, you're going to know that you can earn from all of that. Okay. Now we go into our back office. Back office, this is where you see your slots, right? This is where you see where you participated in. If they're highlighted in blue, obviously you're participating in that slot. Okay. This is a $10 slot, right? This is a $20 slot, a 40, an 80, a 160, a 320, and a 640. Okay. Those are the slots that this particular account is participating in. That's why you see multiple payments in my wallet, because each one of these slots has a payout, right? And each one of these slots has the matrix, right? And stuff like that. So just to show you how this works, for example, it's $320. It's a $640 cap, which is double $320. You're going to see another number here. This one actually just cycled out 3 days ago and I re-participated. but I'm earning every single day, right? And every single day, this earnings here is not here waiting for you to ask for it. It's not here waiting for it to cycle like some other businesses or whatever's other compensation plans. This is already in your wallet. This is just a tracker that tells you that you've earned $14 already on this contract. It's 2 days old for me, this new 200% fulfillment agreement, okay? If we look at the 160 slot, right? 160 becomes 320. I've already earned $135 towards that fulfillment, guys, because you earn every single day. Now, once it does get into the matrix, right? I'm number 70 here, which is nothing compared to the amount of people. So within the next little, while, few days, week, whatever it is, I'm going to enter a matrix and it's going to double my money quickly because that's what it does. You get paid on positions 2, 3, and 4 in your matrix. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the previous video a couple of times and you will understand it, okay? I'm just showing you this because everything is tracked here, guys. I want to just show you one other thing here quickly. This is your community. This is based on you and when you came into the business, what occurs under you, and the company rewards you for this. So remember, I told a few people about this business on this account. Well, I told 3. 3 people are my level 1, but 3 people have become 126. That I'm earning from, guys. And you can see where you're earning here. You can see your level 1, your level 2, your level 3. You could see the percentage, you can see the amount of volume, and you could see the amount of people that you're earning from. Okay, so that's why you see a lot of plus signs going into my personal wallet. Okay, now I do not have level 11, 12, 13, and 14 open yet. Why not? Well, you should, because you're earning your 0.5% to 3.3% on that participation. But for me, I'm just staying ahead of the team on this device, okay, on this account. And right now I have 1 person in my level 9. Soon that's going to become 10, 20, 50, 100, and it's going to grow into my further levels. At that point, I'm going to participate or unlock those levels so that I can earn from that as well. Okay, guys? So there's a strategy here to stay ahead of your team. There's no pressure. You don't have to participate in anything you're not comfortable with. Obviously, I tell people start low, but grow your belief and then go high. Okay, it's up to you how you do it. Okay, a couple of other things here. Revenue records, you can cross-reference everything you've earned. Unilevel bonuses, look at all those reds, guys. Those are because my team is growing. Those are the amounts that go into my wallet, right? You're going to see your daily returns, your ROIs, they call it, your daily returns. Those all go into your wallet. You could cross-reference this with your wallet, okay, guys? Everything is tracked here in your back office, so you could feel comfortable that at every step, you know exactly what is happening in your business. Guys, there's some other things in here that I'll let you explore on your own, but right over here, there's your referral link. People always ask me, how do you get people into the business? Well, first, you make them watch the presentation, right? Second, you help them set up their SafePal account. And third, you send them your link so that they can link their SafePal account, right, to you and to them. Obviously, their SafePal is linked to themselves, but they link it to you. The business knows that you're the one who referred them, okay? How do you copy this referral link? Very easy. There's 2 boxes there. When you click it, you know it's copied to your phone. Guys, I strongly recommend that you recopy that link every time you send it to someone, because your phone is working all day long on other things and who knows what's been copied on there. So just go into your back office. It takes 1 second, recopy it, make sure you've copied it, make sure you're sending your people the right link. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. And if you decide to join this journey with us, welcome to UGC Protocol.